The roar of tank engines echoes through the Ural Mountains, a testament to Russia's unwavering commitment to its armored forces. At the heart of this resurgence lies Uralvagonzavod, or UVZ, Russia's industrial titan dedicated to armored vehicle production. For decades, UVZ has served as the cradle of Russia's tank development, churning out thousands of armored vehicles that have become synonymous with Russian military might. 2024 marked another pivotal year for UVZ, as the company ramped up production to meet the Kremlin's ambitious modernization goals. Faced with evolving global threats and the need to maintain a competitive edge, Russia has embarked on a comprehensive program to enhance its armored units. And at the forefront of this effort is UVZ, tasked with breathing new life into aging platforms and fielding cutting-edge designs. The company's sprawling facilities, a testament to Russia's industrial prowess, have been humming with activity. Engineers and technicians work tirelessly, upgrading existing fleets and assembling new generations of armored beasts. The sheer scale of production underscores the importance Russia places on maintaining a potent ground force capable of projecting power and defending its vast borders. UVZ's efforts are not merely about numbers. They represent a commitment to incorporating the latest technological advancements into Russia's armored arsenal. From sophisticated fire control systems to impenetrable armor, Russian tanks are being upgraded to outmaneuver and outgun any adversary on the modern battlefield. The venerable T-72, a workhorse of the Soviet and later Russian army, has been the recipient of significant upgrades in recent years. Once a symbol of Cold War might, the T-72 is undergoing a transformation, shedding its old skin to emerge as a formidable contender on the 21st century battlefield. Recognizing the combat-proven platform's enduring value, Russian engineers have embarked on an ambitious modernization program to enhance its capabilities. The T-72B3M, the latest iteration of this iconic tank, embodies this commitment to extending the life and lethality of a legendary platform. At the heart of this upgrade lies a new fire control system, endowing the T-72B3M with unparalleled accuracy and target acquisition capabilities. Coupled with a more powerful engine and improved suspension, this upgraded variant boasts enhanced mobility and responsiveness, allowing it to keep pace with modern warfare's dynamic nature. But perhaps the most significant improvement lies in the tank's protection. The T-72B3M is now equipped with relict explosive reactive armor, significantly enhancing its survivability against anti-tank weapons. This advanced armor system effectively neutralizes incoming projectiles, providing the crew with an added layer of protection during intense combat situations. While the T-72 modernization program breathes new life into a Cold War icon, the T-90M stands as a testament to Russia's commitment to fielding a new generation of main battle tanks. Designed to dominate the modern battlefield, the T-90M incorporates cutting-edge technologies and represents the pinnacle of Russian tank design. Heavily armed and armored, the T-90M is a force to be reckoned with on the battlefield. Its primary weapon, a 125mm smoothbore gun, can unleash a devastating array of munitions, from armor-piercing rounds to guided missiles, capable of engaging enemy armor and fortifications from afar. The T-90M's true strength lies not only in its firepower, but also in its advanced suite of defensive systems. It boasts an all-new modular reactive armor package designed to defeat the latest generation of anti-tank munitions. Furthermore, the T-90M is equipped with the Shtora-1 electro-optical active protection system, capable of disrupting enemy targeting systems and significantly reducing the chances of being hit. This combination of firepower, protection, and advanced technology makes the T-90M a fearsome opponent on the modern battlefield, and a crucial element in Russia's efforts to maintain a technological edge in armored warfare. It represents the culmination of decades of Russian tank design experience, incorporating the lessons learned from past conflicts and the evolving nature of modern warfare.
Join Intel Prime Channel membership today and get access to exclusive benefits, including early access to new videos, exclusive discounts on Intel products, behind-the-scenes content, live chat with me and other members. Other options will be soon available. Thank you for your support and for helping Intel Prime grow.